Hey everyone, have you ever wanted something so badly and then somehow it just appeared? Or maybe you have been trying to manifest something, money, love, a job, but it's just not showing up. Well, what if I told you there are simple mindset shifts, not magic, that can change everything? It's all about vibrational frequency. If you manage to get to that frequency point, you manifest whatever you desire. Most of the time, we stay in lack energy and keep trying something different, which is impossible. So, today I'm telling you those ways which will help you manifest the vibrational frequency energy of your desires. So, some powerful manifestation practices, real stories, and easy steps you can follow in your daily life. 1. Start with unshakable belief. Let me begin with a story. A man goes to a temple to pray for rain. After he prays, he walks out holding an umbrella. Why? Because he believed the rain was coming. Manifestation begins exactly there with that belief. Most people wish for something, but deep down they are doubting. And the universe doesn't respond to your words, it responds to your feelings, emotions, and belief. Say it like it's done. Walk like it's already yours. Prepare for it. That's when things start shifting. 2. Write it with gratitude in the present tense. This one is powerful, my friends. Don't just think it, write it down. Write what you want as if it already yours. And always start with gratitude. Not, I wish I had a better job. That's a lack energy, my friends. Write, I'm happy and grateful that I'm working at my dream company earning 2 lakh a month doing what I love. I'm so thankful I'm in a loving, supportive, joyful relationship. I'm grateful. I'm exploring new countries, living freely, and making amazing memories. Be specific, be detailed, feel it while you write, which is very important. Emotion. Feel it with all your emotion. There's something magical when you handwrite what your heart desires. Your subconscious believes it. Your energy shifts. And once your energy shifts, life follows. 3. Visualize it before you sleep. Here's something most successful people do without even realizing it. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. That's why athletes visualize their wins. It wires their brain and body to perform better. Every night, just before you fall asleep, visualize your desire. Imagine the details. Feel the excitement with all your emotions. Play it like a movie in your mind. I used this when I wanted a job I didn't feel qualified for. Every night I imagined walking into that office, shaking hands, feeling confident, and a month later it came true. The opportunity found me. That's not magic, it's alignment, my friends. 4. Step into the version of you who already has that. This is where things get fun. Don't wait to become the person who has it all. Start showing up as them now. Want wealth? Respect your current money. Pay gratitude to it. Want love? Treat yourself the way your ideal partner would do. Want confidence? Dress and walk like you already have it. You don't need to fake it. You need to align with your future self. Feel it. There's a quote I love. Don't wait to feel confident. Dress like you are, move like you are. Confidence follows behavior. When you show the universe that you are ready, it responds. 5. Stop obsessing over the how. This is where most people block their manifestation. And they are like, why I'm not able to manifest? I'm doing whatever is being asked for. I'm doing whatever is needed. They keep asking, how is it going to happen? How will I get that opportunity? How will I meet them? That's not your job, my friends. Your job is the what and the why. Let the universe handle the how. A friend of mine wanted to move abroad. No plan, no visa, no connection. She kept saying, I don't know how, but it's happening. 6 months later, she got a remote job from someone she met in a totally random online workshop. So don't force it. Stay open, take inspired actions, and trust the timing. 6. Speak as if it's already true. Words are powerful. That's why it's called spelling. You are literally casting spells with your language. So start speaking about your life as if the things you want are already happening. Don't say, I hope it works out. Say, it's already working out for me. I always attract the right opportunity. Everything is aligning in my favor. When you shift your words, your energy follows. So does your reaction. 7. Practice mirror work every morning. This one might feel awkward at first, but it's transformational, my friends. Stand in front of the mirror, look into your own eyes, and say something like, I believe in you. You are enough. You are already living the life you dream about. I'm happy and grateful that I have everything I once wished for. Say it until you believe it. Because you don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you believe you deserve. And this practice builds confidence, self love, and magnetism daily. So, what do you want to manifest? Whatever it is, believe it's already on its way. Write it, speak it, feel it, live like it's already true. You don't attract what you chase, you attract what you embody. Drop a comment below. I'm ready to receive. Let's make it real together. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Share this with anyone who needs to hear it. See you in the next video.